So when you put yourself into the mind of your customer, okay, and ask yourself what they're going to do, almost everybody today is going to say to you, you're going to go online. You're going to look in the internet, you know, and I think most of the people watching this will agree that people are going to go on Google. That's going to be the first place they go. Some people will go to a specific website that they're familiar with, but the fact is that they're going to go online. That's where they're going to search. So then you have to ask yourself, well, if they go online, are they going to be able to find me? You know, and so we went online and we started searching around, and we did an interesting thing. We said, okay, you Google Etratech. And of course it's going to come up because we have a website and they're going to find that. But the interesting thing is what happens when you Google conformal coating or selective coating or surface mount technology or any other problem that the customer potentially could be facing that would lead them to have to look for another vendor. So in our case, for example, we can have a customer that's looking for a specific type of design application. So they may be looking for somebody that has the capability of developing a circuit board or programming in a certain language, or developing some kind of a product, or doing something that they're looking for specific. And that's where we started realizing, that's when it clicked. We realized that when you search for the more specific things that your customer would be looking for if they needed somebody, we weren't showing up anymore. And that's when I started to realize, and when all of us here started to realize that, well, if we're not showing up, then think about how many times somebody's looking for somebody that can do the things that we're doing and we're not coming up. We're only showing up when people know our name. And if they know our name, they already know who we are. So if we're looking for new customers, you have to assume that they've never ever heard of Etratech before. And if they haven't heard of us, how are they going to search for us? They're not going to search by name. They're going to search by what we do. So that's the key to how a manufacturing company can market on the internet. You have to start marketing your capabilities. And once you start, you have to define what you're good at. And once you've defined what it is that you're good at, you go out there and you promote that. And when people are searching for that online, that's when they come across your name. That's when they find you.